I'm Ben Swain. We're here today at Slee Off Road. You may recognize me from my previous videos, Head Gaskets in Heaven, Wheel Bearings Are Us, and Bumpers for Tomorrow. We came here today to talk about our Slee Off Road Formed sliders. This has been super popular for us. We have here behind me a 2016 to 2021 LX570. These are starting to get more popular as people find out that they're a little bit more affordable than what the Land Cruisers are, and they're a really, really nice vehicle. We wanted to bring in today some of the questions that we get asked often on the phone calls, on the emails, and try to touch up some of those answers just with a short video. A good example of our form sliders installed on an LX570. Some of the differences on the LX570s are the factory rocker panels are incorporated with the running boards. In this particular case, we removed the factory Lexus running boards and have purchased the Land Cruiser 200 series rocker panels. This gives us a nice clean platform to start with the sliders. This particular vehicle is a atomic silver. It's a Lexus only color. So we purchased a Land Cruiser rocker panel and then had it custom painted to match the vehicle. There is the option to cut off the factory running board and still reuse with the remainder of the factory plastics. However, you don't have this surface of mounting and you have to trim a little differently. If it's in the budget, this is definitely the right way to do it. The Slee Off Road form sliders are finished in a multi-stage powder coat. The main body of the slider is finished in a satin powder coat finish. However, the step plates are finished with a special anti-skid powder coat for a little better traction in bad road conditions. Again, the Slee Off Road form sliders fit the 2008 through 2021 Land Cruiser as well as 2008 through 2021 LX570. If you can see it in the video, this also has what we call the AHC skid plates, or jokingly in the shop, it's called the Globe skid plates. In addition to the skid plates, you can pick up the lighting kit that we have. On the LX570, the lighting kit wires into the factory lighting that was already in the running boards. This is a neat feature. When you walk up to the vehicle, it lights up. We have them located such that they illuminate the step pads so you can see where your foot is going, as well as they do have some off light that helps as a puddle light. These are automatically illuminated anytime you lock or unlock the door, as well as just walking up the vehicle with the smart key system. These same lights can be used on the 200 series Land Cruiser. The difference with the Land Cruiser is it did not have a factory circuit to wire our lights to, like the Lexus has. Very commonly on the Land Cruiser, we wire these to the lights that are incorporated in the sill panels, or if we're doing a switch panel such as a Switch Pro, we can control the lights from that location.